All right, this is 2017, 2018, totally certified basketball. Doing two teams per spot. Everybody on the left side is in on the break. Copy everybody. And we'll bring you into random.org for the random. Everybody gets pasted in 2 times. And we go 9 times. As always, good luck, everyone. Seven, 8, and 9. Frankie G on bottom. Ryan A on top. Take you back over to our basketball spreadsheet. Also throwing in some bonus packs. So, like I said, guys, there's some older cards in there. So if for some reason it comes out to be like a Sonics card, for instance, that will go to the Oklahoma City Thunder or whatever team or city that your team has moved to. Pasting everybody in from the random, make those names nice and big. Shrink that down a little. I think you guys get that. So good luck to everyone. Frankie, you are hoping for the Lakers, huh? So yeah, Hawks going out to Ryan. Celtics, Mark. Nets, Frankie. Hornets, Will N. Bulls, Will N. Cavs, Parker, W. Mavs to Nick. Nuggets to Ryan. Pistons to Parker. Warriors to Jeff. Rockets to Mark. Pacers to Nick. Clippers to Will. Lakers to Jeff. Grizzlies and Heat to Will. Bucks going out to Jeff. T-Wolves to Will. Pelicans to Parker. Knicks to Will. Thunder to Nick. Magic to Parker. Jeff S. with the Sixers. Suns to Will 999. Jeff S. with the Blazers and Kings. Will N. with the Spurs. Will 999 with the Raptors. Utah for Nick. And Frankie G. with the Wizards. All right. So once again, thank you guys for getting in, and I appreciate it. And good luck. We'll start with these bonus packs, I guess. Make sure that we get this color and lighting proper. All right. Move that back a little. All right. So this is the first pack, Panini Basketball. Like I said, not too sure what is in it, but good luck to you guys. And it looks like there's 2 cards. There's a Dwayne Wade Bulls and a rookie number 2699. 699 of Cheick Diallo. I'll have to check on the team, unless one of you guys want to do that while we're doing the break. Just the Kansas Jayhawks, but yeah. Number to 699. So, well, bonus hit. And then, yeah, check out these international packs. I believe this is a German one. Hopefully we can pull a Bird or Magic, Jordan, something nice. All right. Come on. Let me fix this focus real quick. Okay. All right. Daniel Marshall, a Glenn Robinson Draft. Rookie. T-Wolves. Eric Pekowski. Brian Grant. Wonder if that's a rookie. Luke Longley. Jack Haley. Brent Price. Brian Williams and Anthony Mason. So yep, nothing too great, but like I said, these are like German cards, so all the stats and all the stuff is written in German. So this is the Dutch pack. Like I said, I think if somebody hits a Jordan or a decent player, it's probably a good card to have. Mutombo, Sam Perkins, Malone, Garnett. It's not bad. Wow, back-to-back Garnetts. So this, yeah. Back-to-back KG rookies. So T-Wolves. That's Will N. Yeah, he's got two Dutch versions of Kevin Garnett. Collector's Choice rookie. San Antonio versus the Spurs. Lamont Murray. Reggie Miller. San Antonio. Spurs David Robinson and Penny Hardaway insert. So not bad on the two KGs. Got to be worth something. So just a few bonus hits going out to you guys here. And the last one is the Italian Collector's Choice basketball pack. Carl Herrera. Vlade Divac. There you go. Going out to the Bulls. Who got him? Will N. The Michael Jordan. Italian version. Like I said, not bad. Gotta be worth something. Olden Polynice. Allen Houston. A Clifford Robinson. Ron Harper. Irvin Johnson. Brian Grant for the Kings. And Hakeem Olajuwon. Alright, so yeah, not too bad. Like I said, the Jordan, I figured if we hit a Jordan or something, that's really what we're looking for. Alright, so it's on to the big dog. Certified basketball. 2017-2018. Certified basketball. One auto, one memorabilia per box. Good luck, everybody. First pack. All right. Terrence Ross. Pau Gasol. And for the Sixers, Markelle Fultz. Rookie. Not bad. Nice rookie insert. I mean, he is on the box. Not bad. Kevin Love base and a Chris Paul base. Good start. side, DeMar DeRozan and Jonathan Isaac, rookie insert for the Magic. That is not numbered. John Wall and DeMarcus Cousins, base. All right. Greek Freak. Yeah. And bang. Wow. Last one we hit the Kuzma. This one. Boom. The Fultz. Going up to the 76ers. Who's got Philly? Jeff S. Jeff S. Very nice. Got the Fultz rookie auto. Like I said, he's on the box, so. And behind that, an Elfrid Payton. You like that haircut, don't you? Nice purple. Scal and Drew Holiday. So another nice autograph. Still due for at least one memorabilia. One more hit. All right, Otto Porter, Embiid, and Kyle Lowry insert. Registered mail for the Raptors. That is not numbered. Ingram and Robin Lopez. All right, Saric, Lowry, and number 21 of 99 for the Suns. That is Marquise Chris, blue, number 99. Steven Adams and Lillard, base. All right, so 3 packs left here. All right, Chris Middleton, Lillard, base. Insert. Not numbered though. Gordon base, Aldridge, Middleton, and for the New Orleans Pelicans, E'Twaun Moore for the Pelicans, and that's Parker W. P. Wright. Got yourself a nice hit there. Number 199. Fabric of the game. All right, Jokic, Rodney Hood, purple, Justin Nurkic. It's weird. There's like a huge line across it. You guys can see that? Like a big scratch or a line or something right there. Just so you know, whoever got Portland. Jeremy Lin. And dang. Last pack. Good luck, everyone. Trevor Ariza. Rudy Gobert. And rookie blue. Number 299, Justin Payton for the T-Wolf. That's another pretty decent one. And for Minnesota. And that one's going out to Will N. Very nice. Number 299. It's actually 27. His jersey number's 24, unfortunately. But nice little rookie. Kaminsky and Steph Curry base. That was totally certified. Plus a couple bonus packs. Thanks again for getting in on that, guys. It's Bambino Breaks. We're out.